You've definitely heard the phrase, the first $100,000 is the hardest. But did you realize that once you have a $100,000 investment portfolio, you're one-third of the way to exceeding the $1 million mark? That's true. Attaining the $100,000 mark is more significant than you might imagine. Let's look at the math and figure out why it is. Stay tuned because this is excellent news for your future. Welcome to Cashflow Canvas, where we teach lessons about investment and money-saving techniques. If you want to make your financial future better, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Albert Einstein termed compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. Those who comprehend its power can amass enormous wealth from little. Most of us have heard about compound interest in some form or another, but few realize how powerful it is. So look at this example to gain a better picture. If you invest $100 every week and get an average return of 8%, it will take you around 12 years to reach your first $100,000. During this time, you're saving as much money as possible while receiving little interest. Sure, you might be making a little money, but it isn't enough to allow you to quit your job. Rather, it's just a few dollars here and there. There isn't anything particularly noteworthy happening during this time, but those that persevere will be rewarded handsomely. If you continue to contribute $100 per week, it will take you another 6 years to reach the $200,000 mark. That's correct, you'll be sitting on slightly over $200,000. If you've been keeping track, that amounts to a good 18 years of commitment. That is a long period, but remember that it's like gradually scaling a financial mountain, one $100 at a time. If you've committed to a $100 weekly investment, prepare for the long haul. It'll take another 18 years of consistent payments to reach the remarkable $1 million milestone. Let us break it down further. It took a whole 12 years to accumulate $100,000, then another 18 years to double it to $200,000. Finally, after 36 years of work, you're celebrating attaining the coveted million mark. Let's look at how much of the grunt work is coming from your efforts against what's coming in from your invested funds. During the first 12 years of working toward that $100,000 goal, the majority of the money you save comes directly from your income. Over $60,000, in fact. The remaining $40,000 or so is the outcome of your investments producing returns, or each dollar working for you. Not terrible, but in this early stage, it feels like you're doing the hard lifting while your investments warm up. $40,000 for little to no effort on your side is fantastic, but you're unlikely to get hooked on the excitement of investing just yet. Things begin to get a little more exciting over the next 6 years as you work towards $200,000. That's when compounding's true power shines through. By the time you reach $200,000, you will have earned more than $100,000 in interest, with your personal contributions exceeding $90,000. It's fascinating to observe how your money works for you and grows on its own over time. The hook is that, despite having just hit $200,000, you are already halfway to $1 million. It's like witnessing your financial garden grow into something spectacular right before your eyes. As you approach the second 18-year period, compound interest begins to take precedence over your own contribution. It's as if your money is working overtime, gaining traction on its own. By this stage, while you've dutifully saved approximately $180,000 from your own pocket, the value of your investments will have surged to more than $1 million. It definitely demonstrates the incredible returns of compounding. Your money isn't simply growing, it's multiplying exponentially, far exceeding what you could have accomplished through simple contributions. It's like seeing the financial equivalent of a snowball roll downhill, gaining speed and size with each passing year. What's actually impressive is that once you reach $1 million, you'll earn an incredible $80,000 in interest in just a year. Consider how long it took you to reach $100,000, and now you're nearly there in just 12 months. It just gets smoother from there. By year 36, you've reached $1 million, and by year 45, you've surpassed $2 million, earning more than $160,000 in interest per year. The best part is that you won't have to give up your current lifestyle or risk everything to attain this. You're simply setting aside $100 each week. That's similar to foregoing one meal out or being more frugal with your car payment. It's a minor adjustment for such substantial financial development. The S&P 500 typically produces returns of more over 10%, but for this example, we're utilizing 8%. That is roughly what the S&P 500 returns on average after accounting for inflation. When making long-term projections, keep in mind how inflation can erode your returns over time. It should be noted that in this example, contributions do not grow with inflation. Therefore, they are $100 per week in year 1 and $100 per week in year 3. We've all heard about the benefits of compound interest, but it's evident that the mathematics are on your side, and they're working faster than you might think. Hitting $100,000 puts you 1/3 of the way to reaching $1 million, but it could come sooner than you expect for a variety of reasons. It's not only the math that takes $100,000 to $1 million in no time. There are also more factors working in your favor to assist accelerate those benefits. When you start seeing the results of your investments, it's like a surge of motivation. You can't help but feel excited as your money grows. It's exhilarating to watch your money rise without you having to do anything. Soon, you're itching to step up your game, putting in extra wherever possible. Receive a small raise in your pay. When you realize you could make that money work for you while you sleep, spending it on a larger car payment becomes less appealing. It's all about changing your perspective and seeing every additional dollar as an opportunity to invest in your financial future rather than wasting it on frivolous purchases. As you navigate the realm of money, you begin to realize how crucial a dollar may be. You realize that even small amounts of saving and investing can add up over time. It's like starting a seed and watching it grow into something much larger over time. This awareness allows you to see the value in every dollar saved, not just for what it is now, but also for what it could be in the future. Compare this to someone who has never invested a single dollar. They are unaware that squandering a dollar today is equivalent to wasting $10 or $100 later. As your income grows, you will automatically increase your weekly investments. Gone are the days of setting a weekly budget of $100. As more money comes in, you'll be able to save even more. Perhaps you'll start with $150 or double it to $200. It's like progressing to the next level of a gain with real-world benefits. More money means more room to invest, which opens up a whole new universe of options for your financial future. Reaching the $100,000 milestone may seem like the most difficult aspect, but it's vital to recognize how far you've come. It turns out that attaining that threshold puts you 1/3 of the way to $1 million. Plus, with all of the elements we discussed earlier on your side, you'll get there much sooner than you think. So keep the faith and stick to your plans. Compound interest rewards individuals who remain patient and faith in the process. As we conclude, I'd like to thank you for watching. I hope you found value in this video and learned something new, and I look forward to seeing you in our future videos. I would deeply value it if you could like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support will help us to create more valuable content, and we can work together to secure your financial future. What are the key takeaways from this video that you can share in the comment section?